Hello everybody. It has been a minute since I have made a video here on YouTube. I am very active on my TikTok and Instagram, so make sure you are following me over there on those. But if you do follow me here, I love and appreciate you. If you don't, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I don't do videos on YouTube as often as I do over on TikTok and Instagram, so again, follow me there as well. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. But of course, let's get into what this video is about. This is the finished look, okay? Okay, and let me tell you, I am obsessed with this product. So, Mereton Lashes so graciously gifted me a DIY lash extension kit. And look at how stunning these are. Did you guys know I had lashes on? The first question, did you know I had lashes on? Because I don't think it looks like it. I think this looks like I just have plenty of mascara, and let me close my eyes. Like, there's no strip because it's a kit. So they sent this product to me, and of course I wanted to try it out immediately. I was stoked, and I want to share it with you guys because I think everybody should be able to get in on this. So first things first, here is the packaging. I love the sleek matte black. It has rose gold DIY, but it is an extension kit. On the back, it does tell you the exact directions step by step on how to apply and then how to cleanse and maintain your lashes. So this does come with 50 clusters. They do come in clusters, which equals 5 pairs of. So here is the kit, and then these are those clusters. I obviously used the first set. And then it also comes with your applicator, and I'll show this more in detail throughout the video as well. And then it does come with 5 cleansing swabs. Obviously you're gonna run out of these after the 5, and your lashes are reusable as long as you properly cleanse them and remove them. And you can get up to 3 to 5 uses out of them. So what you would do to remove is really just gently take like a normal cotton swab with some eye makeup remover or any makeup remover, and you would gently take them off. However, all of these are under your lashes, so I do recommend using maybe like micellar water. That's gonna be really gentle on your lashes but help remove any glue and residue. That is the kit. This is the look. So let's go ahead and show you how to put them on. Okay, so I have already applied one side. So my makeup's done, I put on one side just so that way you can see the before and the after. So here's the difference. But of course, we're gonna put this side on together. So first things first, I already took a clump out, but these are what the lashes look like as I showed earlier. First step is to comb through with like an eyelash comb, a little spoolie, whatever you have, and just brush through. Make sure your lashes are nice and light, no residue on it and stuff, not clumped together, especially if you have mascara on. I do right now, so you just wanna make sure it's all even and nice. After that, you are gonna take the cluster glue. They don't include it in the kit, so you would need to purchase that separately, or you can use just like any different glue really. So I'm gonna be using my Duo Lash glue, but the cluster glue would be a lot easier because it does come like on a spoolie like thing to easily distribute. So for my Duo Lash glue, you are going to put the glue underneath your lashes. So not on top, not on the skin, like on the actual lashes. And then after you apply it all over evenly, you're gonna let it dry for a little bit. So I'm just gonna let that dry just for a little bit. And then you're gonna take the applicator tool that comes in the kit, and you'll take the clumps, just one individual clump at a time, and you're gonna apply it underneath your lashes again. So the great thing about this is that because they come in clusters, you can literally apply it how you want. So you can layer the clusters if you want to add more volume and intensity, kind of make it look however you want your desired lash to look. Compared to strips, you're pretty limited to just whatever the strips are designed as. You can also put it close to your base or like further away from your lash line to add length, but these are really easy to apply and they're so lightweight. Like I don't feel like I have lashes on. They're very lightweight. You see how easy that was to just apply? So for this one, I focused more towards my outside. This one I distributed it a little bit more, but either way, these look so natural. I will admit, maybe it's because I'm not using the cluster glue. It is, sometimes it does stick a little. Like when I blink, I can kind of feel that stick. But other than that, I think these look absolutely gorgeous. I am so happy with them. Here is the finished look. Honestly, 10 out of 10 recommend. Now that does come with cleansing things for removal, so little cleansing swabs. And you can use this if you properly cleanse the falsies. You can use it 3 to 5 times. So just make sure you're properly cleansing and storing them after removal. All right, you guys, here is the finished look. I absolutely love them. I think they are stunning. They are gorgeous. They are very lightweight. I do recommend them. You can design however you want, make them fully thicker on the outsides, add more length, but these are so natural looking. And I love that when I close my eyes, you can't see that I have falsies on. You have no idea. It's just a DIY lash extension kit. Beautiful. I think just my eyes look so great. And with a natural makeup look, it really just makes my eyes stand out. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. Let me know what you think about these lashes in the comments down below. Again, give this video a thumbs up and then make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I will try to produce more content for you, but if you are dying to see my makeup looks and I just didn't happen to post a video. I do post a before and after a lot on TikTok and Instagram. Instagram I still try to use for still pics. I know that Reels is a huge thing, so I will film TikTok and also post on my Reels, but I will still put still photos on my Instagram, and then I'm a lot more active on my TikTok. I do try to post every single day, so make sure to follow me on both of those. I will link my accounts down below for you, so that way it's easy to go follow. And I'd really appreciate the support. You guys are honestly so amazing. I am trying to, produce more content for you guys and get more looks done. And, I would love to do this for my day-to-day job. However, it is time consuming and pricey, so I am working towards that. But again, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I truly appreciate it. Let me know what you think about these lashes, and you can click the link down below and then in my social media bios as well in order to snag these for yourself. Lastly, huge thank you again to Mereton Lashes for sending and gifting me these. It's greatly appreciated. I love them so much. I cannot wait to wear them all the time. It's a perfect everyday lash all the time, and especially to my friend's bachelorette. It's gonna be great. Thank you for helping me look amazing. I love you guys all so much. I will see you next time. Bye.